'Cause I haven't.
What up, my cruisers, and welcome back to another video. In this video, it's another don't knock it till you try it. So I decided to change my radiator out to switch to electric fans, because in the future I might do some water crossings. And in the process, I decided to change my water pump out as well, since we had to remove the radiator. So we put in a brand new ASIN in here. So see how we did it. So since I'll be switching to electric fans, we don't need the fan clutch anymore. So what we had to do is remove the fan clutch, obviously, to take out the radiator. And then we moved the battery as well, just to give more room so we can get in there and take the radiator out. So yeah, there's 4 bolts holding the clutch fan. You got to remove those first. And then take it out. And then we're going to put in the new radiator in a minute.
Yeah. There's like a. Oh yeah, there's a no tension thing. Yeah, I got tension that. Yeah. So.
I also decided to delete the transmission cooling line that goes to the radiator at the bottom of the radiator, just so there's one less thing I need to worry about in the new setup. So after we took the old water pump out, we made sure we cleaned the area as best as we could, and we're getting ready to put on the new ASIN water pump right here. Yep. So right here, we had to do some minor adjustments so we could get the radiator to fit, as it was hitting the side of the mount right there. So we just trimmed it off.
Not lined up properly either. Looks like it got pushed back.
Got it?
There we go, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can hold it up here if you want, on the neck.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
I have to put some washers in there or something to push the bracket out.
So after trying to put the radiator in, we realized we need to put some washers in there just because it wasn't lining up properly. So after that, finally got it in. Ghetto bird flying over, don't mind that.
Several song-filled hours later.
I'm gonna hold this. Hold this on. Just on here. Alright, I'm gonna hold this on here. Alright, flip the switch. Turn it back on. Oh yeah. Take the pump out so I can watch it. Make sure I don't. Oh yeah, turn out. Yeah.
Mission failed.
We'll get them next time.
So if you're watching this video, learn from our mistakes. We wired something wrong, so you'll find out in this video what we did, but
I jumped the Jeep.
it wasn't starting. So at first we thought the battery died, so we tried this Noco boost that I have, link in the description for that. We tried that and it didn't work, so we were stumped. So we ended up replacing the fusible link as well, because I thought maybe the fusible link went out.
Oh, that's so supposed to be
We even tapped the starter. None of that worked. Is this positive?
Yeah, that's all positive, right?
Positive. This is supposed to be over here, maybe.
Think
Supposed to
so?
be over there?
I don't know. Well, no, because and there wasn't any other grounds I disconnected besides this one over here. What the fuck, dude?
Right here. That's the thing. That's it. It should be good.
Alright. Well, fingers crossed.
Psych! The next day.
I don't know if it's on though, because I haven't.
Alright, here we go. There we go.
Let's go. It's it. We got it. No, it's it. It's it, bro. I know it's it. I know it's it, bro.
Let's go!
I told you.
You don't have the fans connected though.
No, I know. That's alright. I can, there.
Hell yeah!
There, you should be. Oh, I gotta.
Got that wrong wiring. Come on, Christopher, fix the first.
My bad, bro. Okay. It's not, they're all boys. Mark's black.
That's why you gotta take a picture before you take it off.
Yeah, well, we, you know.
I forgot you have photographs of everything.
No, I don't. No, I should have put red tape on it. Put red tape on it, bro.
Yeah, that's why I f***ed this up, because it's black.
Moments later.
Still leaking?
Well, yeah, but it might be that clamp too. You probably need to get a better hose clamp.
So we made a quick trip to AutoZone to get another clamp so we could make sure that the transmission cooler line was nice and closed.
The fan's on, running. Everything seems to be wired right. Gotta perk the system out. Inside 184 right now. Heater's on. Alright. It's kind of hot. Not hot, but getting warm. See, that's a little switch we rigged up. The only thing is, I'm probably gonna have to trim some of this because I got this from AutoZone and it doesn't really fit. It's too big. The rubber thing's hitting this thing right here, so I might have to sand this down right here just so it'll fit in there. All the other switches work. Get my light switches. There, lights work. We got heat. We got heat. It's working. Oh no, just put it on there and put the clamp on it.
Yeah, that's it.
I'll just do that.
What, of this?
Yeah,
these?
do that. Just put that in there. It'll slow it down more.
So there you have it, my cruisers. That is the installation of the ASIN water pump and the new aluminum radiator that we installed with the dual electric fans. Unfortunately, the electric fans weren't that good. They were kind of trash. So I'll be making another video in the nearby future of installing these new fans I got, a SPAL and a Flexolite, which are really excellent. So you might want to check that out if you're interested in installing an aluminum radiator yourself for the 80 series or another car or another rig that you got. And don't forget, make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, comment down below if you got any questions. This radiator so far has turned out pretty good. I don't really have any regrets about putting it on. And make sure you hit turn your notifications on as well. And I'll see you on the next video.